Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm back with another Identity 5 tutorial and we are learning how to add friends in Identity 5. First of all, open your Identity 5 game on your device and from the main home page, look for the friends icon at the top right corner, this one over here, tap on it, and from the list, tap on add friends on the bottom left. Now in order to add friends, you can go ahead and tap on find like-minded visitors on the page, and if there are any like-minded people from the menu or visitors, you'll be able to see the list over here. If you want to enter the name or digital ID of your friends that you want to search and add, go to the search bar at the top and type in the friend's name and search. Once you search for the person from the visitor list, tap on the plus button right next to their name and click confirm. You'll then be able to send a friend request. While sending the friend request, you can also go ahead and select whether you'd like to choose the message you want to use for sending the request and clicking confirm, and you'll be able to send the friend request to the person. Once they accept the request, they'll appear in your friend list and you can invite them to matches or chat in games. So that is how you can easily add friends in Identity 5. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.